No sweat off my back. Understanding casual English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might hear in casual English conversations. No sweat off my back. This expression is a great example of how colorful and vivid the English language can be. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, "no sweat off my back," is used to indicate that something is not a problem or does not cause the speaker any difficulty or inconvenience. It's similar to saying, "no problem," or "don't worry about it." Essentially, it conveys that the issue at hand is not causing the speaker any stress or effort. This phrase is a variant of the more commonly used expression, "no skin off my nose," or "no skin off my back." These phrases all serve to communicate a lack of concern or effect on the speaker regarding a particular situation. The use of sweat in this variant emphasizes the absence of physical or mental effort related to the situation. You might use "no sweat off my back" in various scenarios. For example, if someone apologizes for canceling plans at the last minute, you could respond with, "It's no sweat off my back. We can reschedule for another time." This shows understanding and indicates that the cancellation is not causing you any inconvenience. While this phrase is informal and generally understood in English-speaking cultures, it's important to remember the context in which you use it. "No sweat off my back" is best suited for casual conversations among friends or in non-formal settings. It might not be appropriate in formal or professional contexts where more straightforward language is expected. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "no sweat off my back." We hope you found this video enlightening and that it adds a colorful expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is all about discovering new ways to express yourself and understanding the nuances that make communication so rich and diverse. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.